Hey guys, and welcome back to Live Love Lang, or if you're new here, we teach you how to learn multiple languages and how to go abroad. I'm Teresa, and I like to talk about mental space for productivity, actually being productive, and then learning multiple languages, sometimes just learning in general, the works. Today I'm going through this old notebook of mine where I was at my best with note-taking, I think. In fact, I'm almost jealous of myself when I look at these notes. This, friends, this is how you learn Korean. I want to go through a few main points with you that you can see in this notebook, and maybe talk about the class I was taking at the time too, because these were not self-study notes, although they very well could be, as I didn't take any lecture notes aside from example sentences. I went to HUFS for one semester in 2016 and had the best experience. If you want to know about that university, I made a video on it then as well, and that will be in the cards. I cannot recommend it enough. It was spectacular. This notebook is a pretty thin one. I prefer using Japanese notebooks because they're thinner and lighter, and it's way more satisfying to finish a book and then need another than to get one and never finish it or yearn for a new one while you waste pages. There is not one English word in this book. That's probably the best sign when you watch a YouTube or study blogger on Instagram, is that their notes don't include any English and that they don't copy textbooks word for word. You can probably see a pattern building here, where I basically have three kinds of pages. 1. A grammar structure written in a way I understand, which is usually a formula or something. Vocabulary with definitions, and then vocabulary without definitions. There's not much to say, but I believe that these are both the fundamental ways to do your notes and all you really ever need. I find people who don't focus on the bones of language tend to not learn it concretely or get comfortable the way people who do. I choose to include definitions sometimes, but usually on different pages, because the definitions are difficult or are not words I see myself using in daily life, and therefore would have little reason to revisit or re-Google. I should also mention I think it's very important to not put in the definitions most of the time for several reasons. The most important reason being that you would see it and think that you were actually remembering it, when in fact your brain is seeing and recalling. This will trick you into a false sense of security of your actual ability to use those words in a real conversation. The second reason is that every time you do forget and must go back to look for a word, you would have spent time to further drill the word into your long-term memory. I think that's it for this video. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I have a lot of different notebooks that I've completed, that I've kept, because I figured they might give me some insight into my future studies. If you're interested, let me know. And if you want some productivity printouts or study stuff to help you along your journey with Korean, check the description box below. We have a link to some free printouts, and I don't have to tell you what to do on the YouTubes anymore. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, then press the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We answer every single comment on our channel, so it's in your best interest. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.